guys, Harley here for another Minecraft tutorial. Now last video I showed you how to install mods for Minecraft any version of 1.6, and today is the follow-up video on how to install mods with its own utility client or utility startup. And so today I'm going to be installing the portal gun mod, which is by ichun, and it requires the ichun utility 2.1.0. Now, you're going to want to download that from these sites, which is going to be in the description. You're going to want to download the primary universal for Minecraft any version of 1.6, and it requires ichun utility. Now, you're going to go ahead and download this. It'll take you to AdFly and any server where you could download it from. Then you're going to want to go to ichun's blog, which is basically his main page, and you're going to want to download ichun UTL for 1.6 any version. You're going to want to go ahead and download that. And once that's downloaded, drag it to your desktop, and you'll notice that they're .zip folders. Now, you're probably asking, Harley, what's the deal? Minecraft on Mac only runs .jars. Well, I'll show you how to deal with that in a minute. And so basically, you're going to want to go to your folder. Once those are downloaded, you're going to want to go do the same as last time. That code will be in the description again. And if not, you can go to my last video, which I uploaded about yesterday, and you could get the code off of that. But once you have this, the config folder is going to be here, everything with mod loader. You're going to go into your mods folder again. You could see that the too many items is still installed. You're going to want to take ichun's utility. You're going to want to go ahead and drop that in. It's going to be a zip. Now you're going to want to rename that by scrolling over it and clicking the zip, deleting the zip, zip, and replacing it with jar. Once that's good, you're going to click use.jar, and that jar symbol should appear on here, just like this one. You're going to want to take portal gun. You're going to want to do the same with that. .jar. And once that's good, you're going to want to drag that in. Once that's good, you can go ahead and close out of the mods folder. What this is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to use the utility with ichun to allow your Minecraft to load that on Forge. Now once this is going to load up, and I'll show you how it is, make sure you're using Forge, not your regular one, because that won't access any of the Forge data. Let me just start that up. And I'm sorry for last video's lag. I don't know what it is, but my recording software, which I usually use, is not compatible, I would say, with Minecraft. It makes it so that my FPS drops down to about 15 to 17, when usually, when I'm not recording, my computer runs at 111 FPS. Yeah, that's probably a big difference to a lot of people. But I'll just load that up, and once I get it going here, I'll be able to show you that it does in fact work. I tried this earlier, and I was able to get it up and running, and I was able to play around with the portal, which is actually a really fun mod. I don't think I'm going to be doing a review of it anytime soon, but I might do it in about a week or two. So once it's up here, there's that screen tear every time it goes into a huge screen. We have the Minecraft funny random text of the day, and once you go into mods, you'll see that as last time you had 4, which is too many items, Minecraft Forge, mod loader, and coder pack. Now this time you're going to see 2 more if you did it correctly, and if not, you can go ahead and go back in the video like last time and see what you did wrong if it's not showing up. But it should have the ichun's utility, which is shared library and mod required for several of ichun's mods, which are updated to 1.2 or 1.6.2. Then you're going to want to go to the portal gun, and you'll see the logo right here, and add the portal gun and many other portal elements into Minecraft, basically anything from the Aperture Science Center. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new world. I'm going to title this one Portals. Allow cheats on, and I'm going to go to super flat, and I will load this up, and hopefully I'll be able to show you, because last time I did it on my recording, which I had to delete. I recorded this like 5 times already. It crashed. So hopefully this time it'll be able to work, and I'll be able to show you guys it running successfully. So yeah, once it's building terrain here, world generation seems to be slowed down when you're recording, especially on something that makes your computer super lag out. So once I'm in this world, then I could go ahead and go into my inventory, and you'll see that here's the GUI for the too many items. Now, too many items is really interesting because it's compatible with mods, any type of mod. So if we go here and we scroll through, we'll eventually get to a page where we'll be able to see, we already see some new items, the portal mod and the portal block. You'll eventually get to a page that has all of the mod things in it. So you can see there's the different types of portal guns, there's the weighted storm cubes, the long fall boots, and there's some turrets. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it does, because now that you know that it works successfully, I'm going to go ahead and grab the long fall boots as well. And I didn't tell you last video, but how you toggle the GUI for this is you press the O key when it's set to default and it turns it on and off. And then you could just go ahead out of your inventory. You run along, and on a Mac, if you don't have a mouse, then it's one click to shoot out one portal, and then it's a double click with 2 fingers to shoot out the other one. And once they're linked, it should look like this. Then you'll be able to just go through, and that works. And if I shoot it way over there, and I go in this one, you'll be able to see that I'm bouncing around between them. So that's great. So hopefully this helped you guys to install different mods, especially I know because ichun is an actual great mod developer. And so hopefully this was able to help you guys a lot with what you were doing. And hopefully you'll get to play around with a lot of mods. I'm going to be doing some mod reviews in the not so distant future about how to install different things like that. So basically check back on my channel or subscribe would be great, and I'll see you guys later. So yeah, bye.